how to use LG Direct Drive 7kg. So this is Motion DD, LG brand. You can see there's like 3 compartments. For the small one and the bigger one, you could put your powder soap, and then the smaller one, the one in blue, you could put your fabric conditioner. Switch it on. That is the button on the upper right of the machine, and from there you could select your options. So there's a lot of options. It could be cotton, cotton large, easy care, sportswear, delicate, wool, quick, and then the rinse and spin and the baby care. So what I did, I selected the quick option and intensive.